Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up alarm for your HomePod mini on your iPhone device using Home app. So to do this, first you need to open the app like that, then choose the device you want the alarm to ring. For example, here I'm gonna use the bedroom HomePod. It's this one basically, and just hold your finger onto it like that. And now scroll down, go to alarms and set up new alarm like that. And from here you can choose the time in which it's gonna ring. For example, here 11:45. Then repeat never, or you can change it to a specific day. Label, it basically changes the name of the alarm, so you can pick your name here for the alarm to happen. And you can change the play tone or from your media. So I'm gonna press done, and it should be added here any second now. It is. So now we can wait for the 11:45 to actually hear it ring. So let's actually wait for that to happen. As you can see, it works fine. So I'm gonna press on the device so that it stops like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.